everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my Lawn Fawn new release haul with you guys. This is everything I picked up from the latest fall/winter 2021 release. So I'm going to set everything off to the side and go through it with you one by one. So because September is my birthday month, the first thing that I got was the new birthday stamp set for this year, which was the Party Unicorn. Comes with this cute little unicorn and a cupcake and some little sparkle marks, and then it also has the die for the unicorn and the cupcake included. So that was super fun. I also got a 10% discount on my entire order because you get that during your birthday month if you've signed up with Lawn Fawn. So that was really cool to have as well. And then the next thing I got was the freebie for this release. This was free with a $60 purchase. It's the Say What Holiday Critters. So you get a cute little deer in a Christmas sweater and a penguin also in a Christmas sweater. And then there's a little kitty with a jingle bell on her collar and some great sentiments and a little speech bubble. So super cute. And then the next thing I got was the new, okay, let's see, it's right here, Merry Mice. So you guys know how much I love these little mice that are featured in many different Lawn Fawn stamp sets. I just think they're super cute. So I had to have this one as well. It has the little stool so they can be standing on that, adding the Christmas star or the ornaments. There's a little Christmas gift, 2 different ones there, and a couple sentiments. And I did get the matching dies as well. And then I also got the new Furry and Bright. Super excited that Lawn Fawn has some new dogs. I'm such a dog person and I thought these would be really, really fun to have. I especially love this little guy right here. I just think he's so cute. He looks so chubby. I love it. Very, very cute. So, in going along with that, I also did get the Joy to All stamp set. So this one has another little dog here that I just recently used on a video. I actually turned him into a little fall pup playing in some leaves. So that's already out on my channel if you're interested in checking it out. Also has these cute kids in their Christmas PJs. I love the little dog bowl with the gingerbread man inside. There's some more fun gifts. A great size Christmas tree and a whole bunch of tree trimmings, and then some more great sentiments down at the bottom. And I've already created my stamp pocket for that one because I took apart the dies because I already used them on that card that I mentioned. And then the other set that I have already used is this one here. This is the Perfectly Wicked, P-U-R-R, and it has these cute little cats. So I've actually made 2 cards with this one. I think only one has been up on my channel so far. It was a little Halloween card, but I've also created a fall card with these guys that'll be coming up if you haven't seen it already. So yeah, I think these guys are so much fun. I was super excited that Lawn Fawn had more dogs and cats because even though I don't have a cat because I'm allergic, I have a lot of cat loving family members and friends, so I love to make kitty cards for them. And what I really love about this set is all the little books, because those can be used for so many different things, and I am such a book lover. So I thought this one was really, really adorable and fun. And again, I did take apart the dies because I used them already. So got those. I also got the new Scripty Autumn Sentiments. I just thought these were super fun. I love the handwritten cursive font and all the big leaves. Plus you get all these fun little sentiments and the little swirls that can be used with the leaves, but they can also be used for so many different things, little bugs and butterflies and, you know, whatever you can think of, dandelions blowing in the wind, all kinds of stuff. It just creates some fun movement on a card, which I think is great. I did get the matching dies for that, mainly for the leaves, but I think it's great that you also get the sentiments. If you're someone who likes to die cut your sentiment out, then you have those options. So really nice. Going along with that, I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little bit funny. I have a end of the summer cold here that I'm just hopefully getting over here. But I got the You Autumn Know with the super adorable little mice again. So really, really fun positions. I love this guy here that's kind of like jumping up in the air and cheering, you know, just having a blast there. I love the new leaf pile. I think that's really cute. You have some different leaves than the old leaf pile, which I used in a couple cards recently. But anyway, I didn't have this set yet when I made those cards, but I think these are really fun, and I love these giant leaves as well that you can have them sitting on or doing all kinds of things. And I did get the matching dies. Next up is my last stamp set, which is the Window Scene Winter. I just thought this was really fun. I have been wanting a Lawn Fawn couch or like an easy chair for a really long time. They used to have an easy chair in a Father's Day set that was super old. It's been retired. I sold mine a long time ago, so I don't have it anymore. But it was a solid image anyway, so all you could do was stamp it in a color. This one would be so much fun to color with Copics or even paper piece with pattern paper. And there's also the little pillow that you could add different textures to that I think is really fun. And then you have this large like window that has the backdrop that can be, you know, in the background there, and then a few sentiments and some snowfall as well. And I did get the matching dies. So you have this little frame that goes around that window, but I also did get the window frame because it had the curtains and the curtain rod and the little valance and the actual like window frame, which I thought would be really nice to have in combination with that. So then I got two of the pattern paper packs. I got the Sweater Weather Remix, which I've used on 2 cards already, but I'll just give you kind of a quick overview. This is a remix of the previous released Sweater Weather. So it's got some really fun fall prints in there. And then it repeats. I think you get 3 of each pattern. And then there's also the new Let It Shine Snowflakes, which I actually just realized I have not opened, so let me just do that really quick for you guys. Sorry about that. This package just came last night and I only briefly had a chance to look at it. So just fold those little sticky parts back. So this is the Let It Shine Snowflakes. It has silver foil. So you get a snowflake print on a solid background, and then you get a snowfall print that does not have the foil. And that is going to repeat in a whole bunch of colors. There's red, white, gray, green, aqua, turquoise, and then that repeats. So you get 3 of each of those as well. So that'll be really fun for some Christmas cards. And then the last thing that I got was the Fall Leaves background stencils. Oh, sorry, no, not the last thing. I also got the gold stencil paste to use with that. So this is a pack of 2 different stencils that you can layer together to create some really cool backgrounds. And you can do those with your Distress Oxides or any kind of inks that you want. And then you also can use the stencil paste if you want to add some gold detail in the background. So there was a whole bunch of different ones, but this is all I could fit in my budget right now. So this is the one that I got because it was, you know, we're going into fall, but I probably will pick up some of the holiday ones a little bit later on. If you're watching this video when it goes live, I will actually be in Germany. My husband and I are going to Germany for 1 week. My husband is from Germany. All of his family still lives there. So we haven't seen them in 5 years, and we are fully vaccinated and they are fully vaccinated. So it's just time to see everyone. We were actually trying to see his aunt before she passed away, and unfortunately she wasn't able to hang on for us, so her funeral is going to happen before we manage to get there. But anyway, we will still get to see everyone, and we're really excited about that. And it's just going to be a very chill 1 week time to just spend time with family, and that's it. But we're really excited about it. So because of that big trip, I had to really rein the budget in this time. But like I said, I do hope to be able to pick up a few more things later on, because there was just so much good stuff in this release. But this was the stuff that I had ideas for, like, right off the bat, and just wanted to start to work with. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite thing was from this release, or your favorite thing that I picked up, so I can hopefully use that sooner rather than later. I hope you're all doing really well, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.